We start with monthly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And as we can see, the prices are at the lowest price of this correction. Now we want to see what's the next. And the only thing is we don't want to, if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, which is somewhere around 5 cents, then we can expect the price drop to this zone, which is somewhere around 2 to 3 cents. All right, that's why we need to be quite careful for those traders if they want to look for buy from here. All right, and whether the price can reverse from here with expectation to see the breakout of the all-time high, I think the price can consolidate here for a longer time. That means this is not the only correction for the reversal. We can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. We see the bigger correction before we see the reversal. And the only thing is the price is almost at the lowest price of this correction. We want to see whether the price can break the lowest price, which is somewhere around 5 cents or not. Okay. And mostly we prefer the price could reverse with the breakout of the 5. And we have nothing else to discuss based on monthly chart. And if we refer to the weekly, we want to see whether we can look for the divergence or not. As we can see, the price almost at the lowest price of this correction, but there is no breakout. Okay, and even the price couldn't tag the lowest price of this correction, because if the price could tag or break the lowest price of this correction, even for the short time, we can look for the divergence. That's why if that happen, then we can expect for the reversal. All right, but at this point we don't have it. And whether we should look for buy or not, for those traders, they want to look for buy either short term or long term. Any opportunity for buy within this one, we should look for the trade setup, and we should know how to manage it. Because if simply we buy here and the price could break the lowest price of this correction, which is somewhere around 5 cents, then we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 2 to 3 cents. Okay, that's why if the price tag the lowest price with a conform and it conform with the divergence, then any opportunity for buy the reversal for me, I will take it. But at this point, based on weekly, I don't see any trade setup, and simply we cannot take the trade. And if we move to lower time frame, if we move to daily chart, even based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup. The only option is to put a one tree somewhere above this, which is not a really good idea, but this is the only option. And if the price could drop, at least tag this low with the divergence, then if this one turned to correction, then we can put a one tree above here or here. But at this point, I don't see any trade setup. But if the price could reverse from here, we do the breakout of the 5 cent. If we get an opportunity for buy, we will take it. And at that time, we're looking to see the breakout of the 10 and 11 cent. Then from there, we need to know whether the price can continue or not. Okay, but at this point, we don't see any trade setup. We need to be quite careful. It doesn't mean we cannot look for buy, and it doesn't mean the price cannot reverse. The only thing is how to look for trade, whether we can get the trade setup or not. And how about if we move to lower time frame? If we move to forward chart, for those traders that are looking for this one as a reversal, following by this one as a DP correction, the only option is to put the entry above the top, and what we want is the price sharply tag, break, and continue. And then we can put our stop loss somewhere below around 5 or lower. All right. But this is not a really good idea. It's not a really good trade setup. But at this point, this is the only option for those traders they want to look for buy. And if we move to lower time frame, we can look at if this one drop one more tag the previous low, we conform with the flat, we can put a warrant tree above here. But at this point, at least we should put a warrant tree above the stop. All right. Again, it's not really good trade setup, but this is the only option. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. Thanks.